rest
Do
stop?
you know what's rest stop? You rest first and then you go back there. And then that's the time we're gonna punish them.
Morning guys, and welcome back to another Gab's Car Venture video. And today we are going to Subic. So we are going to Subic with some of our Miata friends, and yeah, I can't wait. I can't personally wait na actually pumunta. And right now I'm on the way to pick up our photographer. Nasa Siang siya, so daan muna tayo ng Siang, sunduin natin siya, and then after that we are going to Petron, Marilao, and NLEX. So yeah, enjoy the video. Morning, brother. Laway lang, lagay ko lang to. Naka-ano ka rin? Naka-record?
Oo,
Angas. Pati rin ako yung nagka-ano din ako ngayon eh.
nakita ko nga sa story.
Basta. So ayun guys, kakarating lang natin sa Petron, Marilao. And so far, ang nandito pa lang si Don, si Mike, tapos si Kev. And I think nag-Starbucks lang sila. Punta natin sila yun din. Sir,
Wrapped up ka ngayon ah. Good morning.
Hello, good
nag-wrap up ba ako?
Saan kami tayo?
Ayan pala si Miko, yung photographer. Musta biyahe mo, sir?
Please lang, tol. Ano ginagawa mo sa lumang bag? Boss.
Naka imbak.
Naka-imbak. Ilan na mag-sumong naka-imbak?
Isa lang.
Isa lang.
Ang nakalagay doon yung Michelin para pag nag-truck.
Nag-imbak.
Yun yung pangalawang gulong ko.
Nasaan lang yung BBS mo?
Ayan, nandun. Yun yung naka-imbak.
Bili mo na, 20k.
Kasi naka-imbak na.
Kasi naka-imbak. Parang pre, gusto ko sumali sa clinic eh.
Sali ka na.
9k no? Sabi naman ni Roy,
Kasama ka ba
sulit
dun?
naman daw eh.
Oo. Kailangan
May
kami.
paddock tapos yung
Parang technically yung binayaran natin doon kasi 5k kagad doon. Paddock. Ay ano pa
Paddock,
lang eh.
saka yung truck
Entrance
mismo.
pa lang.
Oo.
truck eh.
Saka yung
Wala pang
classroom,
paddock.
babayaran.
no, yung classroom.
Saka food. Paddock yung parang ano,
Parang si
yung garahe sa pit stop.
April 7.
So kumakapo
April
ulit
7.
ako. April 7, Tuesday. Tuesday nga lang. Batangas.
Isang buong araw. Batangas.
Sir,
Ito, harangan niyo to.
Hello!
Ay ma'am, bawal po.
Agaw mo ah. Tulad ako dyan ah. Kanan dyan. Plus one ah.
sir. What's
Happy
up?
birthday.
Gogi, hindi ko birthday.
Hindi ko birthday.
Miko, photographer.
Si Mike.
Bought that
Hello.
yesterday.
Ay, we.
DJI.
So, hi kayo.
I guess
Sabihin nyo, thanks Femex.
Against the light?
Hindi naman, maganda yung ano nyo eh.
Oh my god. Oh, that's so bright.
Baka.
Yes, fuck!
What's rest
Do
stop?
you know what's rest stop? It's like fight back.
What?
Ano yung...
Ano rest back ka?
Yes, it's like and then you rest first and then you go back there. And then that's the time we're gonna punish them. Okay?
Oh, what the heck?
No, just kidding, bro. It's that you sniff.
Yeah.
Try one. It's legal. It's legal herb.
Got weed though. Is it okay if you smoke weed?
Ganun kayo siya, no?
No.
May dadaanan na tayo sa next.
Uy, okay.
Okay lang yan, tol.
Sir,
Yes, sir. Oh, sige, pre. Ay, si Sen, si Mike, si Gab, Tapos si Kevin, si Jay Cruz.
Si Jay.
Kasi yung isang nag-chat sa akin sa TikTok naman pre, JC naman. Kaya sabi ko,
Kaya may nag-chat din na Jay siya ng pangalan.
Jay siya. Ito naman, off nga lang. Ayun pre, ito ano agad mo.
Lagi na lang yung
Hindi,
chat ko
buti na lang sumama ka pre. Sabay
So ayun guys, take off na tayo. We're going to Shell. Susundin na natin yung next ating kasama. And yeah, hopefully dire-diretso na tayo ng Subic. Musta Rekti?
Hey, basta vlogger.
Ox naman. Lalagay ko to sa video. Hello. Hello. Tristan or Gab.
Tristan or Gab.
Yeah. Kasi may two Tristan dito.
Ah, okay.
Sir. So ayun guys, we just arrived at Shell. Sinundo lang natin yung mga iba, like sila Porsche. But right now we're gonna go and hopefully get some shots sa SCTEX. Then we go to Subic after. Arrive at the next stopover natin, which is a layover, and then siguro pakita natin quick shots ng mga Miata as of now. And I'm not sure kung ilan kami ngayon, but check, pakita natin. Hirap na pala ng madami, no? Kailangan natin ng maraming radyo. Anyway, tapos na tayo sa quick stopover. We're gonna go now to Subic, Camayan. Let's go! Grabe yung kita mo yung runway talaga dito. Camayan Beach. Ito yun na yung mga ibang Miata. What's your request? What's that?
Sure on. It's Santa Enamiata.
Oh, angas. Santa Ina Miata. Ulit. May picture ng Miata.
I didn't get to give them. Just give them.
Can you give a brief background? What's...
Okay, so Chicharon kasi, it started, I think, during the pandemic because my dad wanted to give food to like the street people and frontliners as well. And like, Chicharon is the easiest thing that you could throw away, especially when kids doing this Miata with the top down. And you see someone like some kid on the street, you just throw it.
Oh, so that's why it's Santa
So
Ina
that's why
Miata.
it's Santa Enamiata and it's Hulog ng Langit.
Ah,
Because
kasi you throw it.
And
Okay, that's nice.
we'll just catch it or not catch it.
Going back guys, we just had a quick lunch. So right now, nagpo-photoshoot lang sila dun sa yacht na pinag-picture natin kanina. And medyo nainggit sila. So, nagpapapicture sila ngayon doon. And then after this, we're going to Treboa Cafe just to have some quick dinner. Or sorry, quick coffee. And ako, siguro magagrab ako ng food doon kasi masarap yung Treboa. So, I'll be getting some food there. But yeah, so far so good and super fun. May mga iba nang umalis na tapos na sa restaurant nila. But tayo, we will continue all the way through up until Clark. Anyway, I'll see you guys in a bit. So guys, we just arrived at Triboa Cafe. And ayan, mag-snack lang ulit. And ayun, siguro quick kain lang ulit. And then coffee. Kasi grabe nakakantok na ngayon. And ito yung sila Alvin ito.
Dati na naman ako work dito.
Ay, we? Pwede dyan?
Oo.
Ano masabi mo sir sa akin?
Medyo nasa kalagitnaan ng init.
Yung ano lang eh, no? Balan dun yung init eh. Musta yung Subicron?
Actually, ito yung pinakamarami tayo. So, feeling ko ito yung nakakatuwa kasi ito yung pinakamaraming cars na sumabog sa run. Then, organized siya actually. Organized yung run. Hindi nag-uunahan. And then, it's fun kasi it's so
Safe sa LTO, no?
safe.
Safe sa LTO.
tayo dyan.
Uy, oh. Ba't kayo nasa labas? Ano masasabi mo sa run natin ngayon?
Pisa yung run natin. Siyempre nagkasama-sama tayo. Minsan lang yan na mabuo. Tsaka kinseng niya. First time sa trip sa grupo. Solid. Solid mga tol. Buti sumama kayo. Mga booking ina niya.
Solid lang. Bago.
Yun lang?
O next.
Ano yung top down pa rin na? Anong tanghali?
Ito, kakarating lang.
Solid, pre! Kanina yun sa amin! Yan, may Rexy, oh. Ikaw, babe, syempre solid yan. Never naman tayong nawalan ng din yan. Gagukat mo yun, baka ano ko yun. Ang masasabi ko lang sa run natin, napakasaya. Masaya ako kasi nakita ko ulit yung buong tropa. Tapos, nakita natin masaya si Gab. Bilang ang pinaka-importante sa run na to, parang dedicated natin kay Gab to. Siyempre. Ano si Gab, busog na busog yan ngayon. Yun nga! Uy! Ano
So ayun guys, we just finished eating sa Trebawa Cafe. Food was actually very good. Pero kita nyo naman, super enjoy ako sa food. And then ito, nasasakay na si Miko. Miko yung seatmate ko for the whole trip. Ayan o. Ready ka na, sir?
Oo, di-dinner pa daw sila.
Hindi na ako, pas na ako dun. Busog na ako. Saka pagod na rin. So another stopover guys, tingnan nyo. Ganda ng na-discover namin spot. Tingnan nyo to. Finally made it to NCC Stadium. Ito, we're gonna take some shoots now and hopefully maganda yung shots, but ito na, some quick videos of our visit here in NCC Stadium. And that wraps up our Miyata takeover in Clark and Subic. I hope you guys enjoy the video because we definitely enjoyed the run, all of those moments we made together throughout Subic and Clark. It was very fun. If you find this video pleasing and if you like the video, make sure to hit the like button down below and hit the subscribe for more because I will be posting more car content in the future here in my YouTube channel. Anyway, that's all and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye for now.